I'm Mike Loulakis, and I'm from Washington, D.C., and I have been looking forward to taking Diane's class for 3 years. We watch her on public television, follow some of the recipes, and when we had the opportunity to come here, we really wanted to take advantage of it. So my expectation was that I would be doing a lot of cooking, looking at her recipes, seeing how she actually pulled everything together. And all that happened, and it was phenomenal. I learned stuff that I had not expected to know. The days were filled with so many different opportunities and so many different recipes, and she was very nimble as far as making sure that we just didn't follow a script. So for me, I wanted to have avgolemino. That wasn't on the script. But last day, which is when I'm taping this, she put avgolemino together, and it was just phenomenal. The other thing but aside from the food, what was most impressive to me, and that says a lot because the food was incredibly impressive. What says the most to me was that we really got to know Ikaria. We didn't know anything about it coming in other than it was a blue zone island. We had no expectations of what that was going to be like, but we learned every day. We learned something about Ikaria. We learned a lot of stuff about Greece, but it was Ikaria history, Ikaria culture, Ikaria people. It was just so informative, but it wasn't like taking a class. It was just having a conversation with somebody that like really knew this incredible island. And so all in all, this far exceeded my expectations. Not because we didn't think Diana would be great, but basically because we learned a lot about a lot of different stuff, and it was cool.